Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to disable Hey Google feature on this device. So yeah, I really should disable it because it pops up in my video randomly. So you have to open the Google application, then tap more, go to the settings, then go to the Google Assistant, then go to the voice match and disable this Hey Google feature here. And I disabled you, what are you doing here? And that's it. And now you can say hey Google, hey Google, hey Google about 100 times in a row, and this he won't appear on your screen anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.